today I'm going to explain you about algebraic expressions which are a little complex and how to find the values, how to add. But before that, let's recall how an expression is formed. Now, first of all, to form an expression, we should know what is a variable. Now, variables are those numbers whose value is not fixed, which keeps on changing in every question, and they are denoted using the alphabets like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any alphabet. Now, constant are those numbers whose value is fixed, like 2, 5, 7. These are the constants because their value is fixed. When these variables and constants are multiplied, they form the terms like 2x, 5xy. These are the terms. Now, factors are the numbers which are forming the terms like 2x. Now, 2x is formed by using 2 and x. They have been multiplied and then term is formed. So, what are the factors of this term? 2 and x are the factors of this term. Now, when these terms are added or subtracted, then an algebraic expression is formed. Suppose 4xy plus 3x. It's an algebraic expression. It has two terms and these two terms are added and it forms an algebraic expression. See, expressions, they are the most important thing in algebra. Okay? Their expressions are also known as polynomials. Now, polynomials can be of different types. If the polynomial has only one term, like 5x squared y, it has only one term. So, it is known as monomial. Okay? Mono means one. If this expression has two terms, suppose 5xy plus 2, there are two terms, then it is known as binomial. Binomial, bi means 2. For trinomial, it's very easy to decipher that it will have 3 terms. Okay? Polynomial can have one term, it can have more than one term. So, altogether it is known as polynomial. But if you have polynomial having only one term, then it is known as monomial. If it has two terms, then it is called binomial. If it has 3 terms, then it is called trinomial. The next thing related to algebraic expression is the like terms and the unlike terms. Now, like terms are those terms which have the same factors. Suppose there is 2xy and there is 5xy. Now, these two terms are like terms because they have the common factors. It has x, this term also has x, this term has y, this term is also having y. That means they are the like terms. Suppose if I put here square, 2x square y and the other term is 5xy. Now, are they still like terms? No, they are not, because here we have 2x square and here we have 5x. Having learned about the different types of polynomial, let's talk about the degree of the polynomial. Now, suppose this is a polynomial and if I specifically say it's a trinomial because it has 3 terms. Now, if I say what is the degree of this polynomial, so for this what we have to do is that I take up each term and add the powers of the variables. Okay? Now, if I add the powers of the variable, here there is 2, there is nothing, that means it is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is the highest degree of this term. Now, the next term, x, if there is nothing, that means it is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. The highest power here for this term is 4. And with 3 there is neither x nor y, that means it does not have any power. So, there is 0. Now, out of these all 3 terms, which one is having the highest power? The center one. And the highest power is 4. So, what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial is 4. Okay? This polynomial has degree 4. Okay? Now, the next thing is the like terms and the unlike terms. Like terms are factors. Suppose 2xy and 5xy. These terms have same factors xy and xy. That is why they are the like terms. And if they do not have the same factors, that means they are not like. They are unlike terms. Now this like terms and unlike term is very helpful for us in addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. If suppose I put 2 here, x to the power 2. Now are they still like terms? No, they are unlike, because here the degree of this term is 3 and the degree of this term is 2. Moreover, there is x to the power 1 and x to the power 2. So it is unlike term. The next thing is the coefficient. Coefficient is the factor. If we have to find out the coefficient, what we have to simply do is, let's take this example, 2x square y z. Now, if I say what is the numeric coefficient of this term, numeric coefficient means the number is this term, in this term. So what is the number in this term? 2. So 2 is the numeric coefficient. But if I specifically ask that what is the coefficient of x square? Now what is the coefficient of x square? Apart from x square, what else you see? 2yz. 2yz is the coefficient of x square. So any factor in the term is called the coefficient of the remaining part. If I say what is the coefficient of z? So just hide z. Now what are the remaining factors? 2x square y. So 2x square y is the coefficient of z. Okay.